The Dow Jones Industrial Average snapped a 5-day losing streak overnight, powered in part by better than expected earnings from retail giants Home Depot and Walmart. The Dow Jones rose 103.8 points to 10,405, the first time in 6 sessions the measure has closed up. In economic news, US industrial production rebounded in July, a reassuring sign from a segment of the economy that has helped drive the recovery. Meanwhile, producer prices rose for the first time in 4 months, and housing data was slightly above expectations. Overnight, Australian mining giant BHP Billiton shares fell 2.4% after it launched a $38.7 billion bid for Potash Corp. The bid was unanimously rejected by the board, and analysts this morning are already speculating about an increased bid for the group, as the initial offer was only a 16% premium to the recent price of the target. Base metals on the London Metals Exchange extended their gains on Tuesday, closing higher for a second session after reports out of the US of better than expected rise in housing starts and a rebound in industrial production. Local shares are likely to edge higher after moderate offshore gains. It is another active day in the Australian reporting season today, with Borel reporting an underlying profit this morning of $132 million, in line with the previous corresponding period and analyst forecasts. Borel says the outlook for the next financial year remains difficult, with historically low housing starts in the US and mixed short-term prospects in key Australian market. The company is expecting broadly similar conditions in the first half, followed by an improving second half. Elsewhere, blood plasma specialists, CSL, also reported a result in line with expectations at $1.05 billion for the financial year. The company has announced an increased dividend and share buyback. Underlying operations appear to be performing well. However, investors may be disappointed with the financial year profit outlook for next year, which is slightly below today's results. This has been Mark Potter for Young Stockbrokers.